Hello, this is just a preface to the video you're about to watch. So what I'm showing is how to change the driver's side window switch of a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. I thought it would have been a fix to the problem I'm having with the window not going up and down properly. I did switch a switch out, shows in the future video that you're going to see now, but that was not the fix. Just want to let you know that up front. So this video is more informative of how you can change a switch, and then like I said in this video coming, I will be showing how to actually remove the door panels and check the door motor itself. So enjoy the video. We'll see you soon. Hey YouTube, this is Dave from DJL Hobbies. Today we're going to be swapping out the driver's side window switch on a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Pretty easy swap. Doing it out in the shade now. It's getting a little hot here in Washington today. So hopefully we can see this with plenty of light. But let's get going on this little project. Won't take too long. The video won't take too long, but this will show you an easy way to get this thing apart, back together, and new switch in. So here's a switch panel. Obviously this one is malfunctioning on me. Put the key in and demonstrate. Probably my luck it's going to work this time. Half the time it does and half the time it doesn't. So it always goes down. It's going up now. If I decide to go down, no luck. Switch is bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and disconnect the battery. Obviously turn off the key, disconnect the battery, show you how to pop this plate out really quick, switch that switch out for a new one. Made in China. Got this off of Amazon for like 25 bucks. Link below. Probably won't last that long, but it'll work for now. It's an older car. So let me go unhook that battery, take this apart, and then put this new switch in and see how it works. Okay, negative cable removed. This is ready to come out. I just used my knife. It's flat and thin. Just come in underneath. Pop it up. A little bit up top here. And voila. Panel's out. That way you don't have to take out the whole door panel. Now we got this unique Chrysler switch system here. These are real easy too. You just got to take and pop this side out. Switch is off. So it looks like we got a couple 8mm bolts here to take out. Oh, smaller than that. Smaller than that. Bigger than that. Okay, so we're talking SAE here. But we'll go ahead and use this 6mm socket. Switch out. Original part number. None of that information on this thing from China, obviously. Snaps right back in just like the old one. Put in the 3 screws. Don't over tighten these so you don't crack your housing here. Sorry about the noise, the neighbor's kids are out playing, but that's okay, it's a nice day. We're stuck in virus land, so we're all stuck at home quarantined anyway. New switch installed. Looks pretty close. Plug her back in. Remember to click your tab so it doesn't come loose. All you got to do when you put it back in is just pop it back into place. I'm going to go hook the battery up now and test and see if it rolls the window up. Battery installed. Okay, just what I thought. The switch I got's fine. The motor on the motor's bad. So we know how to change a switch on this puppy, but we also know my motor's bad or the connection on the motor's bad. So we'll have to take off this door panel, and that looks like another video for you guys to see how to get this door panel off and check that motor out to see if it's good or bad. Again, but that's changing the driver's side switch on a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Subscribe. Click the little notification bell for more videos coming out in the future. And I appreciate you watching. Comment below if you have any questions. Take care. Peace out.